Hello students, my name is Mr. McFalda and I will be teaching social studies this year at the high school. I am going to be responsible for economics, which will be with some fortunate 10th graders. I will be teaching U.S. history with some 9th graders, and I will also be doing 11th grade world history as well this semester. This is my first year as a teacher. Recently graduated from Saginaw Valley State University. Actually, go Cardinals here. Finished in December. I recently finished my student teaching at Roscommon High School. I did U.S. history and American government there. This is my first full year on the job. I'm very excited. I'm very fortunate to be teaching at Gaylord High School. This is very close to where I'm from. I'm actually from Grayling, Michigan, so just a short drive down 75 is where I grew up. I went K through 12 there, and I'm excited to be teaching y'all some social studies. I'm a very active person. I like to do things outside, and I seriously just love high school kids. I think we're going to have a whole lot of fun in my class. It's going to be challenging, as in we're going to be doing things in my class every day. We're going to make the most of face-to-face interaction while we have it, and you're going to be prepared to come into my class, and we're going to be working the entire time we're here. We're going to have some fun. We're going to do some fun activities, especially interacting with your classmates who you may have not seen in a long time. That's something that I hope to take advantage of while you're in my class. Let me go ahead and kind of show you around my room. I'm going to show you a few things to expect when you're in my class. And yeah. My classroom is located here in the senior hallway, class 107. Here's a little bit about me here. And as you be walking into my class, as you can see, I'm actually wearing my mask. So when you are walking to and from class, walking the hallways until you take your seat, you will be required to be wearing your mask until you are seated. A couple things while you walk into my classroom here. I do have 20 desks, so there will be 20 of you in my classroom at once, which is great. The more the merrier. A couple things to look at here. I do have 2 bulletin boards in my classroom, not 100% finished yet. I am teaching world history, I am teaching economics, and I am teaching on this side of the room American history. So when you come into my class, you will be asked to grab on normal days. Here's a calendar of my normal week so y'all can see. You will be asked to grab a daily exit ticket on normal days, okay? And this identifies some things that you will be filling out almost every single day in my class. Number 1 for easy points, and number 2 to just kind of have an idea of our learning targets. So when you sit down at your desk, if you are in economics class, you will be answering question number 3. Identify at least one thing you learned today that is related to the learning target. The learning target for economics is located right here, okay? So that stuff will be basically filled out almost every single day. So let's go ahead and put this back. I do have hand sanitizers and planners that I will be passing out to first block students or first hour students on the first day. We will be working on our syllabus, and this is actually just a resource table. This will be used mostly by me, but as I said, you will be grabbing an exit ticket almost every day. So yeah, around my room here, as I did say, we do have 20 desks in here, which is great. I have a couple world maps that we will be looking at. As I did say, I'm from SVSU, so we got to support a little bit of Cardinal pride here, especially with you upperclassmen. If you have any questions on college-related things, I'm hopefully a good resource to ask there. Turn-in trays. So when you have hard copy assignments, you will be coming near my desk here, and I do have the turn-in trays here, and they are labeled. So economics, world history, and U.S. history are all set up there for you to utilize, okay? My desk back here. Finally, late work. So late work will be set up in the very back side of class here, and as you can see, late work to drop off is going to be on the bottom, and late work pickup is going to be up top. So if you were coming in late, you know you missed a day, if you're sick or absent, you'll be coming back to grab these resources. Now that I'm back at my desk, I'm allowed to take my mask off. And yeah, so hopefully we have a great year. I'm excited to meet many of you. As I said, this is my first full year as a teacher, so I am eager, I am excited to get learning, and I hope to see your faces, or at least part of your faces, walking in on the first day of class. We're going to have a fun year. Have a good last week of summer.